Hey YouTube, today we're going to tackle some issues I have with this CEC enclosure. Nothing wrong with the enclosure. I just think if he was able to have the machine and do a custom job, he could have done this himself, and he probably would have. Here's the issues I have. It's loose right here in this panel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a snap in here. I'm going to install another snap with a strap in this area and up top here to pull all of this together. If I pull that together, it'll tighten up really nice. Other than that, I've been out in it at night, cold weather, 25 degrees. I do not have a heater in here. It works fine. Just wore a jacket, a hat, and gloves. You know, I didn't suit up like I was going snowmobiling or something. Just, you know, regular clothes you'd wear out. I'm going to do this side also to match with the snap. A couple straps up top. It really is nice. I'm enjoying this. It's letting me be able to get out there, enjoy some of the riding that I don't normally do because it's too cold. So let me show you the tools that I picked up. Nothing fancy. I just went to Hobby Lobby, picked up the snap pliers. It came with snaps, but they're silver, so I purchased a set of black snaps. I purchased these rotary hole punch pliers. You really don't need it with these snaps. These snaps will cut the hole through the material. To be safe, I'm going to use the hole punch. You punch a hole, you put the snap in, you crimp it, you're done. No big deal, easy. I did get some sheet metal screws for the aluminum where I'm going to have to install a snap through this aluminum piece right here. I should have probably picked up some self-tapping screws, but I couldn't find any, and I thought I had some at home. So this is what we got. We're going to make it happen. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to lay this out. I would like to put two snaps in here, but I can't because this one is above the rail. So I'm going to end up sticking one right in here. I'm going to pull it down a little bit, mark it where I like it. Make sure getting into good metal on the back side. Punch. Then I'm going to take my little center punch here, and like I said, I'm pulling it down where everything looks good. I'm going to center punch right through there. Drill. Grab my snap parts. I am using the sheet metal screws for now. They seem to be working fine. This is the part that's a little tricky. These pliers, like I said, weren't very expensive. So if you wanted to, you could upgrade to a better set, which I would if I had a lot more to do, but probably only doing maybe 10 total here. Put my snap in the punched hole. Line her up. Give her a squeeze. Looks good. There you go. See, like I said, I would like to maybe do another one right here. I might. I'm going to see how things go with the door, but as of this, doing pretty good. I'm going to just put one more here and one more here, and then I'll create a strap over here on the bench. Okay, made my 2 marks, one down here, one up here. I might have to pull the roof if I put one up here, but I'm going to pull these 2 together, see how it works before I move on, because I'll have to pull the roof off to get up here to mark these 2 and put the snaps in. Okay, we're going to open up the door. We're going to end up removing these straps. And I'll poke the holes, put some snaps in. Holes are punched. So we put the stud in the back. You have to put this little rubber band on there so it'll hold the piece in place. Be a lot easier if I took this off and did it on the bench, but it's not how we do things around here. There you go. In place. We're going to do one more crimp to make sure we're good. There we go. We got the stud in place. So now this will go back together, come down like this, and I'll make a strap to go through both of them. Okay guys, what I did was I took this piece of nylon strap that I had laying around. I don't even know what it goes to. I'm sure tomorrow I'll figure out it was something I really needed, but too bad, we'll get another one. So what I ended up doing was I cut the strap. I used this knife here, and I would heat it up with the torch, get it hot, then cut the strap so it wouldn't fray on either side. You can cut it and then heat it with the torch, but this is a lot cleaner of a cut when you do it this way all at once. Punch the holes in it with the rotary punch, set a stud with the female snap on the other side. Made 2 of these. So over here I've already got the bottom one on. Top one will snap into place. Pulls it together really nice. Everything turned out excellent. I'm very happy with my CEC enclosure. Few little custom things I had to do, add a few snaps. Took me 20 minutes tops. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Please leave comments down at the bottom. Like, subscribe. Enjoy your day. Peace.